Hi all, welcome to Mano Cooks and I'm Mano. Endless cooking during stay-at-home days can simply wear you out. So to ease that, the best choice would be easy, quick and yet a delicious meal. And one such dish is classic restaurant-style Indianized masala macaroni without any pasta sauce. Exciting? But before we start, if you're new here, please do subscribe to Mano Cooks to learn more such easy recipes with all the tips and tricks, and also please click on the bell button next to it. So let's get started. Please take a note of all the ingredients. First step is to boil the macaroni. Let's heat water in a big utensil on medium-high flame. Quick tip here, always cook pasta on medium-high flame. Add 1 tablespoon oil and 1 teaspoon salt and allow the water to come to a rolling boil as you see in the video. Once it boils, add the pasta. Here I am taking macaroni. You can take any pasta of your choice too if you don't have macaroni. You can check the box to know how long to cook the pasta before you start. Generally, it should be anywhere between 7 to 8 minutes. Power tip here, always cook pasta 1 more minute extra than the suggested timing so that it gets cooked very well and soft. Cooked macaroni almost doubles in size as you see in the video. To check if our macaroni is cooked, just try to squish it between your fingers. As you see, it should be soft. Another way is to cut a macaroni, and if you see no white lines, it means it's cooked to perfection as you see in the video. It took me 9 minutes to boil the pasta. Now turn off the flame and let's quickly drain the macaroni in a colander as you see, and add 1 tablespoon oil and toss it well so that all the pasta is coated with oil. Quick tip here, this step is a must as this would prevent the macaroni from sticking to each other. Let's keep it aside. Now to make our masala macaroni, let's quickly make homemade marinara sauce or pasta sauce, which is not only easy but it's too simple and flavorful at the same time. Let's chop all the ingredients and heat a pan on medium flame. Once it is hot, add 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Along with that, add 3 tablespoon butter. Quick tip here, always add oil before adding butter as butter tends to turn brown and burn quick. Once butter melts, add finely chopped garlic. Saute garlic for some time. Quick tip, please reduce the flame if you feel it is too hot at this point. So the idea here is not to brown the garlic but just to saute and cook. Add finely chopped onion after few seconds and cook everything until onion changes to pink. Tip again, we don't have to brown the onions here as our pasta sauce should have the texture from garlic and onion. Also in this channel I have some tested and tried recipes which are very easy and recreating those could be a great experience. So please refer to the link in the description box down below to check out all of them. Now once our onion turns pink, it's time to add tomato puree. As you see in the video, I have ground the finely chopped tomato into a fine puree. Now let's add the tomato puree to the pan. I'm adding 2 tablespoons water to the mixie jar and adding the washed water as well. Now let's cook the tomato puree on medium flame. Power tip here, please mix everything with a ladle and cook as we don't want tomato to stick at the bottom and get burnt. Now when we keep cooking, first tomato puree would be watery and slowly it starts to thicken. And once you see oil separating out from the sides, almost our tomato puree is cooked. As you see in the video, when oil oozes out, let's add our masala ingredients which gives flavor to our pasta sauce. Let's first add sugar, salt, pepper powder, red chili powder, mixed herbs or Italian seasoning and finally tomato ketchup. After adding this, let's mix everything well and saute for few seconds. Now our chunky homemade pasta sauce or marinara sauce, which is super aromatic and super vibrant, is all ready as you see in the video. It's time to add chopped veggies. Here I am taking boiled corn, green and orange capsicum finely chopped and carrot finely chopped. I am adding these choices so that they get cooked real quick. Quick tip here, I am adding very little veggies as we don't need more veggies on our pasta which would dominate and spoil the pasta experience totally. So skip or add any veggies according to your choice. Let's cook the veggies for 1 or 2 minutes until they are crunchy and cooked. Now keep the flame on medium-low and it's time to add pasta. Let's add boiled pasta and mix everything very well. Quick tip here, please keep the flame on medium-low as already pasta is cooked and the veggies and the sauce is also cooked. So all we need is to allow everything to mix well and absorb the flavors. Now let's add chili flakes. Please increase chili flakes according to your spice level. Mix everything again and keep it covered and allow it to cook on medium-low flame for 2 minutes. Turn off the flame and serve this restaurant style masala macaroni steaming hot, topped with lot of cheese any time of the day. It'll be a big yes from everyone at home. It's flavorful, vibrant, yummy, and what more, very easy and can be done with ingredients available at home. So please do try out and share me your recipe pictures to Mano Cook's mail ID. If you like this video and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and please click on the bell button too. See you all in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching.